When Stella was a girl, her community felt cozy, but as she got older, it began to start feeling too cozy. The same woman who sang across the courtyard also noticed when she left the house. They noticed what she wore. They noticed where she was going. And when she started spending time with young men, Italian men, Stella said, "Oh, how the tongues wagged." This world was beautiful, but it also watched you. It gave women rules in how a woman walks down the street and what she is allowed to be. That's what Este Boulevard plays with. It is funny, but underneath the laughter, it also asks, who gets to decide how a woman appears in the world?
de moda, faldita con abertura. Cuando cruzan las patas, mi bueno que ayuda, me vaya a acaparar, me vaya a jalala. Assim va con sim, se verona fugrear. Me vai acabar, me vai a holala. Assim va con sim, se verona fugrear. Me vai acabar, me vai a holala. Assim va con sim, se verona fugrear.
Thank you. Thank you very much, and thanks for clapping along.